Hi, it's Chave Weather here with a video looking at a 6.8 magnitude earthquake hitting Chile on May the 10th, 2022. Residents left their homes as tremors shook the walls of buildings, with the city of Antofagasta particularly impacted. Power outages were seen as electricity cables were pulled apart, causing sparks to fly in the air. Authorities are assessing the extent of damage caused, however no tsunami is expected following this event. This is the latest in a series of seismic activities on the Pacific Ring of Fire that has caused earthquakes and volcanic eruptions in Tonga, Japan and the USA. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.